What's up guys? Hope you're doing great. It's Joyce Meettoo here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can grow your business and earn big money by using other people's skills. If you're new here and you don't know me, I do videos on network marketing and give tips on how you can grow your online business and earn money online. So if you like such contents and want to learn more about them, please do subscribe so you don't miss my videos. So guys, stay with me on this one because you'll be learning a lot of ways to grow your business fast. So let's get started. I'm actually super excited to show you guys how you can grow your online business and through that make a lot of money. So let me tell you that for any online business to get you money, and I'm not talking about $1 or $10 or $50 here, guys. I'm talking about thousands of dollars. For you to get such amount, you gotta have high income skills. And for those who don't know what are high income skills, guys, are those skills that you cultivate and leverage to earn high amount of money in your business. And those skills are copywriting, lead generation, and sales and presenting. Now, I did videos where I explain details about them and give tips on how to use them. I will also leave the links of those videos in the description box for you to check them out. So let me give you a brief description on why they are important in your online business. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting a particular product. Now, it's only when sales are done and you get commissions that your business grows. So the main thing you need to do is to bring traffic. There are three ways to get your traffic. You get them freely, you get them through ads, and you simply buy them. Now, the last one can be really difficult for new entrepreneurs because there are indeed a lot of scammers out there. However, my friend, I left a link in the description box that will allow you to buy quality traffic at a really reasonable price. And when I'm saying quality traffic, guys, I'm saying traffic who actually clicks and buys. So let's get to the actual topic. Now, where are you going to get your traffic? Well, it's from social media platforms or search engines or from your mailing list. From the social media platform and search engine, guys, you're going to attract them to your offer through the ads. And if it's in your mailing list, it will be through email marketing. All of these, guys, it's copywriting and lead generation skills. The better these skills are, the more traffic you will be able to get into your sales funnel, which also need copywriting skills. Well, of course, you will lead the new traffic obtained from the ads to your opt-in page in order to get their email addresses. And for those who are already in your email list, they will be directed directly to a bridge page. Now, once in your funnel, which is the bridge funnel, guys, there, your presenting and sales skills play an important role. This skill is what will bridge the gap between the traffic and the product. So guys, these are where your high income skills come into action and why they are really important to bring in the huge amount of money I said. But what if you don't have these skills? What if you really want to grow your business fast and successful and make it a great amount of money, but you really have no time to really learn and develop them? And that's where I'll show you guys how you can actually use the high income skills of other people to grow your business and make money. If you don't have those skills, guys, you can always outsource them. Yes, you outsource them to people who are really, really good at them. And you leverage their skills to make you money. Of course, you will be paying them and they will be your high converting assets. Robert Kiyosaki said, rich people buy assets and poor people buy liabilities. If you're investing in such assets, it will be the best decisions you make for your business. So I'm going to show you guys platforms where you will be able to outsource your tasks that will require those high income skills. On these platforms, there will be very high skilled freelancers who will be doing the jobs for you. So number one is Fiverr, guys. Here you are able to hire the freelancer, and I will explain how it works. Fiverr offers a service called gig. The gig is basically used by buyers such as you or any freelancers. An example of a gig which is posted by a freelancer will be, I will write your ad for $10. Or if it is posted by you, it is something like write my ad. All you need to do is register yourself on Fiverr, which is free by the way, and submit a request or submit a gig. Another example is write 5 follow-up emails. And once you post your gig, the freelancers will apply and you can review their performances shown by Fiverr. And you can choose one who you find suitable for your task. You can also check other freelancers' gigs that are related to your work and check their stats. Note that when you select a freelancer based on their gig, you purchase the gig. If, for example, it says, I will write your ad for $10 and you wanted that freelancer. So you purchase the gig and you pay Fiverr in advance. Payments can be done via credit card, Visa card, and one of the other payments methods is PayPal. So number 2 is online jobs PH. So in this one, guys, you are actually hiring Filipinos virtual assistants to do all your jobs, all your automated jobs, like ad creations, email marketing, funnel creations, and all, even SEO ranking. Now, guys, these Filipinos are really, really good. So what you do is you create an account and you will get a free trial. And if you want, you can upgrade it for $69 a month or $97 a month. Each one has its own benefits, guys, but I'm not going to discuss them on this video. So yes. So you post a job description of what you want done and you let the VA reply to you. Or you can go and search for them. So once you are on a subscription package, you can contact them and decide who you want to hire. And you pay for them to do your job without a worry. So basically what you're doing here is you're hiring a virtual assistant to handle your whole business. Okay? Number 3 is freelancer. Freelancer, guys, it is one of the world's largest outsourcing websites where you can get many of your works done. They even describe it for you. So what you do is you create a profile, you post a job, and wait for the freelancers to bid. Then you can view your freelancers' reviews and select what you see the best. Or simply you browse the freelancers on the particular job you want done. You browse on their profiles and select them, and you bid through a safe method known as milestone. You can pay when your job is completed or pay on schedules when your goals are met. Number 4 is Upwork. Upwork too is one of the world's largest outsourcing websites like Freelancer. So let's have a look. To start, you post your job description. Upwork will analyze your needs and it will send you a list of freelancers meeting your requirements, or you can also search for them based on what you like. Once you get your list of candidates, you browse their profiles in which you can view their ratings and job success, scores, etc. Next, you can schedule chat like an interview and select the best who meet your criteria. When all your jobs are done as per your requirements, you do your payments where you can choose to pay whether it's by hour or you pay one-off when your job is done through their safe payment method. Number 5, and the best, guys, is Funnel Rolodex of ClickFunnels. This Funnel Rolodex was built by Russell Brunson, the entrepreneur genius. He actually built it for himself, where he could find all the best graphic designers, all the best copywriters to generate leads, as well as email, and all the best sales presenters in here, guys. So In here, we will find all the already successful entrepreneurs and freelancers who have gained massive success and are already the best in what they are doing. All you do is go over there, look for them, and pay them to get your job done. All of them are genuine and all work ethically. If they are not, trust me, guys, they would never be there in the first place. However, guys, in order for you to do that, I just mentioned, you need to have your ClickFunnels account. And guys, among all the 5 methods I mentioned, I truly believe this is the best one. So if you're ready to grow your business, you now know what to do. If you're a beginner, I really recommend to learn the high income skills in order for you to understand and know how it should work. But if you find it time consuming and instead of investing your time in them, you could be doing other stuffs to bring in money to your business, then outsourcing them is the best option. And thus we've come near to the end of this video, guys. I hope you found value. If so, please leave me a comment to let me know, and if you know any outsourcing platform, please tell me in the comments so the people that are reading the comments know. And guys, if you want to elevate your business to the next level by using the funnel Rolodex, check out my affiliate link of ClickFunnels, where you will get your free 14 days free trial and have my shared funnels as one of yours so you can start using them to make money. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you continue to view my videos like this one. It's been fun, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.